and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive in some new makeup. I received this yesterday and I'm so excited. I waited for this product for a very long time, well, a week, but that's long for me. I have bought the Natasha Denona Gold Palette. This retails for around $100. I think I paid $100, but it was on a sale. I actually wanted the Metropolis palette, but when I ordered, they hadn't got it on Sephora in Sweden yet. But now I saw that they have it, so that sucks. But if I like this one, I will buy the other one too. So let's get into this. I have already done my eyebrows, as you may see. I used the eyebrow gel, lasting eyebrow gel from Kiko Milano. This is in the shade 06. It looks like this. And I love this. I think it's better than the Anastasia deep brow. It's a bit dark, but yeah, I don't care. I'm just going to shape the brows with some concealer around them and make them seamless. So I have a new brush set from Sephora. I'm going to open this, and you got a little bag too. This is a bit short. I wouldn't have my brushes in this because the bristles are going to get destroyed. But maybe you can have other, maybe lip pencils or something in this. This looks very nice. And these are the brushes, so I think I will use this to shape out the eyebrows. And this is a smudge one. What? So I take this and my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, HB Porcelain Beige. I don't even know what you're supposed to use these to, but I don't care. I'm so angry right now because my car has broken and I can't go anywhere, and I'm so fucking mad. I have to have a car and now I don't. That's really annoying. Where the fuck is... For primer, we're using the Face Studio Prime Anti-Redness Primer from Maybelline. The green is going to cancel out the redness in my skin, I hope. And as you see, my skin is very, very bad right now. I have some terrible breakouts, pimples, and I'm dry. Also, we take the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer, and this I use on my T-zone. Oh my god, where I have big pores. Now I'm on prime, so I'm taking regular tape. Did I do something stupid now? I take my Real Techniques sponge and some concealer, the same as we used before. Now we have a blank canvas for eyeshadow. So now we're going to dive into the palette. I'm so excited. I'm going to open this. This is the most expensive fucking palette I ever have bought. I ever hold in my hands. My poor ass hands. My fucking god. I'm going to cry. This is sick. I almost fucking cries. Oh, because of a fucking eyeshadow palette. Do you see that? I don't know what look I'm going to do. I want to use all of the shades. So we have the new brushes. So I'm going to try to use these as much as possible. We begin with this Crease Shadow 3. It's a fluffy blending brush. And what shade to begin with? Maybe I should swatch these. These shimmers are so creamy. How beautiful is that? So, should we say the names? We begin from the top. So, this one is the Aurora. Number 2 is Dijon. The gold, number 3, is Oro. The brown after the gold one is Log. Varies. And then with this is Brass, followed by Sandstone, and then Alchemist, Teak, Aurum, Lime, Python, Sparks, Aria, Kava. We take Aria, this one. How fast that blended. I'm shocked. They are so creamy that they... hard to explain. This is incredible. And with this much pigment, and you can blend it so seamless and so effortless. If you're rich and beginner at makeup, buy this. You will be a pro in a couple of days. We take the smaller brush. This is Powder Shadow 2. The darkest brown, it's Log. Is. Now we'll try to take this. Oh my god. And then we go back to the fluffy brush. Try to blend. We're going to do a halo eye, and I almost never do these. We take this little smudge brush and some concealer. I take this smaller brush that we had before and try to blend the edges. That will do. These are also beautiful, so I seriously don't know what one I want to use. I'm going to take this, and that is the Varies. I take this brush from BH Cosmetics, the V7. It's a flat packing brush, and we try without a Fix Plus. I go back to the fluff brush and just blend the edges. Okay, we top it with the gold. Then we take the smallest brush we had, and that brown, or dark brown again, fill in the lower lash line. Maybe I'm suck at doing halo eyes, and this look maybe wasn't the most beautiful I've done, but I love the shadows, and I will test this out probably every day from now. You will see more looks with this. I think they are so pigmented. I love the formula. I love how creamy the shadows are. and easy to use. This is the Benefit Hello Happy Flawless Brightening Foundation. I took the shade 2. So this is the mini version because I don't know if the shade is going to match the shade or if I'm even going to like this. I love that they have a mini version so you can test it before you actually buy the full size. So it looks like this. This is medium coverage, liquid foundation, SPF 15. I will take my buffing brush from Kiko Milano. It covered my pimples very good. Not full coverage, but yeah, definitely a medium. I take my Shape Tape. As I said, I'm really dry around the nose area, so it looks a bit cakey there. For powder, we have Milani's Translucent Light to Medium. I always take much powder in the T-zone. Now I take my terribly looking Anastasia contouring palette. This is the light to medium and it's powder contour. And I'm going to take this one. And then we see we maybe take some darker of the darker. I haven't used this in a while. I don't think it's so good as everyone said in the beginning when it was so hyped. The one you can buy from Revolution is just as good. Take some of the lightest, this one. Then we take this Nip Fab bronzer palette. So I take these two, these are matte, and I just take both of them. Sorry, I had to go out with the dog. For blush, we take BH Cosmetics Nude Blush 10 Color Blush Palette. This shade. Time for highlighter, and this is from Fenty Beauty. I have only tested a bronzer from her before, Private Island I think it's called. So this is the first highlighter. This should have been silver, that would have been beautiful. So I take that one with a setting brush from Real Techniques. I wasn't sure when I ordered which one I was going to buy, but I felt like this would suit me best. I like that. I take a black eyeliner pen. So I draw right here on the lower lash line. This looks insane, I know. And then we're going to smudge this out. We're going to do that with the little brush we got in the Sephora kit. And I took another brush, a bit cleaner, and blend the edges out. Now I'm going to put on eyeliner, and this is NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I'm only going to do on the lid and not a wing. My god, I never used this color. I'm going to take a brown eyebrow pencil and draw some dots. Okay, I got another lipstick. We're going to test this instead. I hate bright lipsticks, but I guess it's the first time for everything. So we will put on these lashes, and this is from Adele, I think. And I take my duo lash glue. So always when I buy lashes, I cut them. I take off a bit on the outer end because that one you doesn't see as well. You don't want to cut it in the front. So I cut it in the end, 2-3 millimeters. Everyone has different size of the eye, so you have to measure to your own eye. And then I put the lash glue on and I bend them a bit so it's easier to work with it, and I let it dry for a bit. And then if you want, you don't have to, you can put mascara before you put the lash on. Try to find the place where I want it. So now you see I just have the middle of the lash where I want it. Then I can drag it. Right here I want it to end. So now we have the end right and the middle. And you want the lash almost to sit on your own lashes, not on the eyelid. Then I take this, and this is a bit dangerous, and I put it like that with the lash in the middle of it, and I push. It really glues the lashes to each other. Like before I started using lashes, I thought that you can't use it more than once. That's disgusting. No, don't be afraid to wash your lashes. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I use baby oil to wash away all glue and mascara. It's also important what glue you have, and I think everyone nowadays use this, and it's very good. Many people use the black one. This is a white glue, so when it dries, it gets transparent, and it can show a bit on the eyeliner that there are some shiny glue. So I put eyeliner on top of the glue when it has dried, and that way it doesn't show up. And the trick is also to really let it dry a bit. If you don't, it's just going to move on the eye. And if you feel like something is irritating your eye and you start watering, take off the lashes and redo it, because if the eye starts watering, the lashes is going to fall off. Better to redo them if you're feeling like something is irritating. And then I put on some more mascara, so if I missed some lash, they're going to blend in with the false lashes. Okay, that's the final look. The lips are a bit different for being me, but I actually like those as well, so not bad. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications every time I upload a new video. You can of course follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I have the links below. And please comment if you have a Natasha Denona palette yourself, and what do you think about it? Do you have a palette that you don't like from her? I haven't heard about anyone disliking her palettes, so please, if you do, comment, because that would be very interesting to talk about if someone does. I see you in the next video. Bye!